Everyone's got a backstory. Stories that take more than 500 characters to share. So let me tell you about mine and show you where I'm from, my friends, my family, and everything in between. Show you how the fresh water looked like an ocean. The warm summer nights spent by the fire from 1 a.m. till 3 a.m. Where I went to college, where I've done research, where I explored, hiked, and lived for the outdoor, where you spent days looking for hidden paths. Places where your phone can't take you, but your friends can venture out with you. Paths where you can take away the fancy cameras, the expensive lenses, the green, and it's still beautiful. Being an exploration officer is more than just traveling. It's doing something you've never done. Taking new risks to see what's out there. It's more than just taking nice photos. It's about freezing that moment in time, taking it all in. Rushing winds, the warmth of the sun sinking low, the feeling of capturing that power and harnessing it for ourselves. So Michelob, let me tell the story of these 5 parks and show what's out there, what it offers, what we must protect.